Hello, my name is Victoria and I don't really exist. Nevertheless, I'm able to record and dub realistic videos, because with this ingenious solution simple texts can be turned into spoken language and of course animated videos. Some days everything goes as it should, other days everything goes wrong. Those are the days when you have the feeling in the evening that you actually worked the whole day for nothing. Then there are the days when you get bad and demotivating news, for example from a doctor. And then there is just nothing freshly cooked in the evening, but something from the can. That's exactly what we do today with this content here. This is a so-called canned content. This is video content that you prepare beforehand so that you can still publish something on the days when you don't get to produce something new yourself. We have that too, and in this case it's about automated videos. For example, one of our canned videos introduces the possibility of creating three-dimensional videos using online software for a few dollars. 3D videos are not 100% what we go through here in our course, but since it is topic related and not tied to the course content in chronological order, we can use that anytime we need to. The prepared video then just needs to be renamed accordingly and published on the day. A good way to create such canned content is to have already existing texts dubbed elsewhere. We use an automated solution with a young lady named Victoria who is able to turn our written texts into natural spoken language. Victoria is not a natural person, but a mixture of a recording of a real actress and some computer intelligence. This combination makes it possible for us to enter our written texts into a corresponding field, and as a final result we get a realistic looking video with the young lady. Victoria has been very useful to us in the past, especially in designing and creating automated course content. We also created a test video for our MQL5 tutorial channel some time ago and asked our subscribers for their opinion. They were mostly taken with the fact that you can use such solutions. Context was overall positive, with the comment that it depends more on the content than on the way of presentation. And since the quality of the videos we create with Victoria is pretty good, you can definitely take a look at something like this. A huge advantage of the solution mentioned here is the fact that virtually everything is from a single source. This means that the video content and the audio content are delivered by the same software in which we simply enter our text. So you have very little effort, and after some time you can download and publish the result.
If the content is interesting for the viewer, then a presentation like the one you see here is a good solution to produce or publish content with little effort, even on days when you don't really have time for it. What helps us especially is the fact that you can do this for different languages and different people. Victoria is our preferred choice, and we can use it for English and German, but we can also choose to use other languages or other actors. The male actors in this software are unfortunately often a bit stiff and clumsy, or you can clearly see that a green screen was used in the background, which then still remains visible in front of other backgrounds. But Victoria is really a great solution, isn't it? Okay, today we don't have much time to create more content because we are invited for dinner. So that's it for today, and if you have any questions or suggestions about the content in this video, just drop us an email.
We always reply personally and usually within 24 hours. Until then, we say thank you for your attention and we'll see you in the next video.